Now, here's how you can make your Apple Watch stop speaking. So, there might be a few instances or situations where the Apple Watch just speaks stuff out loud, and I'm going to show you a bunch of ways to prevent this. So, the first one would be to just get inside of the control center and enable the quiet mode or silent mode. And this is going to prevent a lot of sounds going through. So, that pretty much applies to notifications and other things which you perhaps sometimes want to hear, sometimes don't. So that would be like a good first step. Also, there is the ability to speak time on the screen of your Apple Watch. So when holding down two fingers on the screen, the Apple Watch is going to speak time. So I'm going to show you how you can turn that off. So on your iPhone, which is paired to this Apple Watch, you will open up the Watch app, and then what you can do is get inside of the general right here, and you want to get inside of the speak screen section. So I'm pretty sure it's part of the accessibility right here. I'm sorry, actually, it's part of the clock section. And in here, we have the speak time, which can be turned off like this, or at least it can be controlled with the silent mode, the one I showed you in the beginning. So in case you don't want this from happening, make sure to turn off speak time altogether, and your Apple Watch will not speak time to you anymore. But the one last thing which is equally relevant would be voiceover. So inside of the accessibility section, we have the voiceover feature, and essentially voiceover is a function which lets you tap on anything and it is going to be read out loud to you. So essentially, when you have the voiceover turned on, you can just tap on anything and it will be read out loud to you. So it might be useful, it might not be, depending on your needs and situation. So in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, which is of course paired, go to accessibility, then voiceover, and make sure you turn it off right there so your Apple Watch no longer speaks to you. So that's it. That's all I wanted to let you know about. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you found this video useful. Subscribe for more videos in the next upcoming days, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.